In this video, I will show you how to create a highlight action in Tableau. First, log into your Tableau account. Once you are logged in, you can now see your main dashboard. On top are the row of your menu list, on the left part is a list of your tables, and at the middle part is your graphs. Go to the top of your screen in the row of options. Click on Worksheet. Then a drop-down menu will show. Click on Actions. A pop-up will then appear. In here, you can change the actions. Then click on the Add Action button and click on Highlight. It will then open another pop-up. In here, you can now customize the name, source sheets, target sheets, and target highlighting. Once you are finished, just click on the OK button. And that's how to create a highlight action in Tableau.